I am joined today in the studio by Claire Campion, who is a patchwork quilt pattern designer. That's a first for me. I haven't actually met somebody who designs the pattern.
Really?
How exciting!
That shocks me.
No, not at all. It's and this is one that we've got surrounded by quilts that you've designed.
Yes. Yeah.
And this is one of them. So the name of this is?
This is Sweet Wonder Quilt. So named after a rose because I thought the pattern kind of looked like an opening flower. Okay. And when I was searching for a name, I find naming quilts patterns really hard.
Yeah,
really hard to be original and kind of make sense and bit attractive.
Yes. Okay.
So this is named after a rose called Sweet Wonder.
And does it have a smaller version?
It does. I've got a cushion version so you can see the full pattern in view.
Lovely.
So yeah.
And you've we're not going to talk specifically about the quilting, but you do love to quilt. This is quilted very differently to this.
Yes, yeah. So this one's like an echo curve, so it's kind of like an S shape through, which is kind of like parallel quilting, but with a slight curve.
Yeah.
Yes. So.
And this has been washed.
Yes,
it's all
got the nice
crinkly.
crinkle. Yes.
We love that.
Yeah.
So, and this pattern?
This is my most recent pattern that only came out at the beginning of the year. It's called the Starlink Quilt. And Silene is actually the Latin term or name for Campion, which is my surname.
Oh,
so
right,
yeah,
lovely.
and as you stand back from the pattern, it looks like blossom flowers. Like it had a flowery effect as well. So it just seemed right to call it the Silene Quilt.
Lovely, and similar sort of parallel quilting that you've
Yes, it's my
about.
go-to quilting. You'll see it a lot.
And this one on the table here?
This was my first pattern. This is Retro Metro Quilt. It just half square triangles and Roman stripes that make
Roman stripes. And again, you've quilted over this, which I really find fascinating.
Yes, yeah, I do quilt over all my designs. I think it adds an extra texture and the dimension to the pattern. So,
lovely. And the one behind us?
This is Starlink Quilt, which is just made up of half square triangles. So, and then comes together and kind of makes this. I like the negative stars that it causes. Yes.
I love the way you throw away just half square triangles.
Yes.
People get really scared by that.
No, you shouldn't. They're easy.
And then finally, but by no means least, this is Collider.
Yes, this is by far one of my most popular patterns, and it was my second pattern that I released as well. Yes, it's called Collider. Not spelt in the same way, but it's kind of like a kaleidoscope, is that you look at it and you see more and more patterns like form from it. But it's just made from one block, which is then repeated 9 times.
Nine.
Yeah.
And this is a pale version, and we've got a dark version.
The darker version.
How different they look.
Yes. Yeah.
And we are very excited you're going to do a workshop with us.
Yes, I am. I'm going to go through and show you how to make just the one block, and then you just have to repeat the technique 9 times.
And by repeating, you get the secondary patterns.
Yes, you
that
do.
Look like
you
curves.
do. Yeah, you do get these lovely curves, but everything is a straight line. So yeah,
optical illusion.
Yeah, absolutely, like a magic eye picture.
That's lovely,
So,
Claire. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.